Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donuts at home using your air fryer. First, let's prepare our dough. You can use a simple homemade yeast dough or even pre-made biscuit dough for a quick option. Make sure your dough is at room temperature. Roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick, then cut out your donut shapes and holes. This ensures even cooking. Now, let's get them into the air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Lightly spray the air fryer basket and each donut with a bit of cooking oil to prevent sticking and help with browning. Place them in a single layer, ensuring they don't touch. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes, flipping them halfway through for a perfectly golden finish. Once your donuts are beautifully air fried, it's time for the fun part. Glazing. A classic glaze is easy to make with powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Dip your warm donuts into the glaze immediately after cooking for the best absorption. You can also add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a cinnamon sugar mixture for delightful variations. Get creative with your toppings. For perfect air fryer donuts every time, remember a few key tips. Avoid overcrowding your air fryer basket. Cook in small batches to ensure even air circulation. Check for doneness by gently pressing a donut. It should feel light and spring back. Serve these delicious treats warm for the ultimate experience. Enjoy your homemade air fryer donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.